Big news out. The iPhone 16 lineup is dropping soon, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. But here's the real question. Should you go for the iPhone 16, or is the iPhone 16 Pro the real game changer? In today's video, we're breaking down 4 major advantages the iPhone 16 Pro has over the regular iPhone 16. These are upgrades you won't want to overlook if you're serious about getting the best iPhone experience possible. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which iPhone is the right choice for you. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. First up, let's talk about the most noticeable difference: the screens. If you're all about having a bigger display, the iPhone 16 Pro is where it's at. Apple is bumping up the iPhone 16 Pro screen size to whopping 6.3 inches, while the Pro Max will take it even further, hitting 6.9 inches. That's basically a mini tablet in your pocket. On the other hand, the standard iPhone 16 and 16 Plus will keep their current sizes of 6.1 inches and 6.7 inches. So if you're someone who loves more screen real estate, whether for gaming, streaming, or even just scrolling through Instagram, the Pro models are definitely calling your name. Plus, promotion with a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate is sticking around for the Pro models only. That means ultra smooth scrolling and buttery transitions, something you won't get on the regular iPhone 16. Next, let's talk design. Apple gave the iPhone 15 Pro a sleek titanium finish, and they're keeping that exclusive to the Pro models again this year. Yep, the iPhone 16 Pro is rocking that premium titanium look. Titanium isn't just for show, it's stronger and lighter than stainless steel, making your iPhone tougher without adding weight. If you're tired of carrying a heavy phone that feels like a brick, the iPhone 16 Pro's titanium design is a total win. Unfortunately, if you're eyeing the regular iPhone 16, it'll stick with the same old aluminum and glass combo. So if you want that premium, lightweight feel in your hand, the Pro's got you covered. All right, this next one's a big deal for all you mobile photographers. The camera system on the iPhone 16 Pro is getting some serious upgrades. First, let's clear something up. The iPhone 16 will still have 2 cameras, a main and an ultra-wide lens, but the Pro, it's packing 3 lenses, main, ultra-wide, and a telephoto. Here's where it gets exciting. The 5x telephoto lens, which used to be exclusive to the Pro Max, is now available on the iPhone 16 Pro. So you no longer need the biggest iPhone to get that zoom power. And the ultra-wide lens is getting a massive boost too, jumping from 12 to 48 megapixel. That means sharper, more detailed shots, especially in low light. The regular iPhone 16 still stuck with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide. If capturing stunning photos and videos is important to you, the iPhone 16 Pro's camera setup will be hard to beat. Last but certainly not least, let's talk performance. Both the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro will come with the new A18 chip, but there's a twist. The iPhone 16 Pro will get an even more powerful version called the A18 Pro. We're talking about 6-core GPU versus the regular A18's 5-core, which means smoother gaming, faster app performance, and overall speedier multitasking. And with a more powerful neural engine, the Pro models will likely lead the way in future Apple Intelligence features, making your phone smarter and faster at handling AI-driven tasks. So there you have it. 4 huge advantages the iPhone 16 Pro has over the iPhone 16. Bigger screens, that sleek titanium design, a Pro-level camera system, and faster performance with the A18 Pro chip. Are you thinking about upgrading to the iPhone 16? Which one are you leaning toward? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest Apple news and reviews. Stay tuned. The iPhone 16 is almost here, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.